Hi, my name's Jethro. I'm a charter consultant on the Independent Aviation Flight Desk. Today, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the IAV system. This forms the basis of how we manage the charter requirements for Queensland Government.
The video today will be in two parts. The first is to present to you our new IAV system. It's a quantum leap in functionality on what we've offered in the past, and all the software has been tested and proven and is ready for release at the commencement of the new SOA. In the second part of the video, we're going to have a look into the systems we use here in-house for charter coordination. Although we're always on call, the majority of our bookings are requested through our website. You've already been set up with an online portal which gives authorised personnel the ability to log on to a secure network to book, amend, or just check up on the status of their flights. Once logged on, users have the ability to navigate through various screens within the portal. Requesting a new quote can be done under three headings: passenger charter, aerial work, or freight. A standard booking request form is an easy-to-use document which auto-fills information already known and remembers helpful information specific to the user's login, such as commonly used routes, aircraft, and passenger names. Authorised personnel simply fill in the blank spaces and press send. As soon as one of our consultants on the flight desk has your request, we respond via email. Our new quick search function allows users to look up various flight plans which are already saved in our system. Simply selecting one, like Horn Saibai, shows you a cost and time estimator that gives staff members an idea of price and flight time. It separates it into low cost, average cost, and high cost for different sized aircraft, and the time estimator works out the flight times based on the different speeds of the aircraft. Clients simply have to fill out the date, time, pax number, baggage weight, freight weight, and enter the passenger details. You can cut and paste information that's common between the sectors. Once you've got a few bookings in the system, it's likely you'll want to go back and make amendments. You do this under Organisation Bookings. This page shows a summary of all jobs that your organisation has running. They're chronologically listed down the side, and they show what stage they're up to and what you have to do next. Another important feature of the website is CharterShare. CharterShare is a facility that we have developed to utilise spare capacity on flights already booked within government departments. Where a flight has available seats and payload, it can be listed on our CharterShare page. This allows other departments within QGov to utilise space that would otherwise be wasted. On other contracts where this facility has been embraced, it presents significant savings. And with developments in our new website, it is simply a case of click and share. In the QGov portal, senior personnel can be made administrators. This allows an overview of everything going on within the department, including flights requested and what has been confirmed. The ability for Independent Aviation System to track previous flight plans is very important. As you can see here, Cairns Arakoon return is shown on this interactive map. From our experience managing other contracts, we recognise that often the person booking the charter is not a passenger on the flight and can be unsure of the location of some of the remote communities around Australia. This functionality gives staff a better idea of what they're actually booking. The information listed below shows the route, airport codes, distance, and is a link to the cost and time estimators. When online, if you ever have a query, we now have active chat. Simply fill out your details and one of the consultants on the flight desk will respond promptly. At the end of your chat, you can rate the experience. Our website has a number of other functions as well, including information about us, types of charter, types of aircraft, safety, and even the ability to make use of the emerging capabilities of drones in the aviation industry. We are constantly innovating, developing, and improving. Some of the new functionality currently in the development stage includes online position tracking and arrival time updates. This will be based on real-time aircraft data and will give you a visual display of where the aircraft is located and an update of when it is due to arrive. It's continual innovation like this that keeps us at the forefront of the aviation industry. Back in the office now, and I'm going to show you how we put a booking into our system. Here's one I've prepared earlier. As you can see up the top, there's an independent aviation reference number. This is attached to all documents related to this specific booking and is your invoice number at the end. This is how we build the flight. The flight plan today is Cairns Cape Flattery. It's departing on Friday the 29th at 8 o'clock for 4 people. The button here sends an acknowledgement email to the client so they know we've started on their request. On the supplier request page, the system supplies us with immediate information on all aircraft and operators that meet the requirements for a given inquiry. All suitable pre-qualified suppliers are invited to provide a quotation for every request. Section A 2.5 of our response documentation explains the governing framework the IAV system uses to determine the appropriate operator to display at this step. This ensures that the entire market is canvassed so that our clients are offered the best possible value for money and the opportunities for work are spread to the widest number of suppliers. Information about the pilots who fly for us is saved in our system. When required, we track the number of hours they've flown, when their medical certificates are due, what they're rated to fly, and what special operations they can conduct. Information about company AOCs, insurance documentation, and special safety standards documentation is all saved in a similar manner. We guarantee to give a minimum of 3 quotes where available. When the suppliers get back to us and the information is inputted into our system, we create the quotes. The quotes get sent back to you as a PDF. The PDF shows the aircraft type with a photo, the route, the flight time, and important information about the AOC and other fine print detail. Once we have confirmed and advised the unsuccessful suppliers, we then collect passenger information and begin the reporting process. Independent Aviation provides concise, accurate reporting in your requested format. The reports will also be available to authorised personnel online. On completion of the flight, we provide a clear and transparent billing process with agreed payment terms. Our system has extensive reporting functionality. This can be supplied to you at your request or on any schedule.
So there you have it, online and in the office. One of the main advantages of contracting with us is, unlike companies running proprietary software, Independent Aviation has developed our system and our web functionality entirely in-house. This means that we have the ability to customize and tailor our web and booking solutions to suit your needs. If you want functionality, all you have to do is ask. I hope this video has given you a bit of insight into what we do and how we operate. Thanks for listening.